County Health Department is set to move forward with new plans for a new facility.
Officials announced today that they are selling the old building to Erlanger. The health department is planning to move to a new facility on part of the Engle Stadium property.
Just how Erlanger will use the old site remains unclear, and the buildings have had complaints about asbestos in the past. News Channel 9 Shakai Spikes reached out to Erlanger and the county to learn more about this decision.
The future of our community, I would argue, is the future of Erlanger.
An aging Hamilton County Health Department will no longer be nestled between the buildings of Erlanger Medical Center. The hospital system is buying the health department building for $10 million.
And this will definitely help give us options to create that corridor all the way down 3rd Street into a healthcare corridor for this community.
Erlanger says this will allow them to help expand their facilities. We asked Erlanger's Board of Directors Chair Sheila Boyington how they will use it.
A tremendous need for emergency room space as well as surgical places as well as hospital rooms.
Boyington says the hospital doesn't know yet if they will renovate the building or demolish it and rebuild. The current health department sits right here on 3rd Street. Employees have expressed their concerns about asbestos to the state on multiple occasions. We asked Erlanger if they factored that into their plans.
Further investigation was conducted, and there is not an asbestos problem there.
Complaints from health department employees 1 year ago and again in April sparked a TOSHA investigation into scenes like these inside the health department. The county told us that abatement there was successful. As for the new location, half a mile down the road, the county says the new health department will take up a small portion of the Engle Stadium site.
As we look to redevelop that area and pay respect to the history that's there as a baseball stadium, but as what it can become in the future to serve intercollegiate athletics as well as the county health department.
In Chattanooga, Shakai Spikes, News Channel 9.
We also heard today from a local Hamilton County historian about the history of Engle Stadium. The stadium has played a big role in Chattanooga's sports history.
For me to think that Jackie Robinson was in that stadium, to think that Satchel Paige, who played in the earlier Negro League here in Chattanooga, but was in that stadium. You look at some of the Hall of Famers who came through. I mean, that's a historic icon that represents the best of all of our nation's history.
An initial outline of the sale agreement will be taken up at tomorrow's County Commission meeting. Thanks for making News Channel 9 your trusted source for local news. For updates and the latest on breaking news, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.